I am going to share this recipe book again. So this is my recipe book, Health Empowerment. It is 550 pages long, and this is the paperback copy, so it is all in color. It is packed, and I mean packed, with information on how to heal your hormones, how to reverse autoimmune diseases, how to heal your skin if you have chronic acne like I did, and psoriasis. At the beginning of the book, I mentioned I've got a few chapters. We've got like sugar, why no sugar, why no dairy, milk products, what they do to your hormones. All of the hormone stuff is here. Why no grains, why you have to avoid all of that kind of stuff. Then you've got a list of all of these superfoods to take, supplements to take, all of this, why we need to have like all these superfoods, kitchen utensils. Then there is why we need water. Again, sorry about the phone thingy being in the way here. Shopping list is all there included. Glutathione, why you need to have glutathione, and a list of foods that contain it will help you produce it naturally, and how to get your nutrients to the liver, why the liver is important, antioxidant rich foods. So that at the beginning of the book, it's all information on how to help your body and understand how to heal it. And then we go into all of the recipes, and beside each recipe, most of them contain little health tips to give you an understanding of why you need to have certain things. Like for this one, Brahmi helps reduce stress and anxiety by elevating your mood and reducing levels of cortisol. And for sinus issues, I was on about that today on my Instagram. Ginger shots, the recipe is there. Lots of different things here, guys, for you to help heal yourself. Foods to support progesterone is in there. I also have a list. If you don't understand about progesterone, progesterone is needed to balance estrogen, and this is where you get a lot of hormonal struggles. So that's included as well, and how to do it with food. That's the list there. So everything is included, guys, for you to create lots of health and wellness and fantastic hormones. And all you have to do is follow it. I've made it as simple as possible. Recipes are super easy. Again, PMS, hot flushes, inflammation, chronic acne, leaky gut, everything I've tried to include in this book. So it's waiting for you when you're ready. It's there. As I say, it is 550 pages, and the black and white copy is the hardback. But the hardback does look amazing with the better cover on the front. But yeah, this one is paperback. So heal the thyroid. Are you ready to transform your life? If you are, Health Empowerment is waiting for you on Amazon.